Will you be there tomorrow? We are having a live mentoring on how to make six figures in 6 months. In the words of my mentor, Michelle, imagine this. A few weeks from now, you could be making real money all while being there for your family. Just a 2-hour workday can set you on a path you never thought it was possible. I've seen moms transform their lives with this training. You don't need to be tech savvy or know about business. The determination you've shown in every other part of your life, that will get you there. Live training this Tuesday, the 19th at 12 p.m. Central Standard Time, and or Thursday, the 21st at 7 p.m. Central Standard Time. You can have access to the 6 figures in 6 months training step-by-step framework. You will get off the Zoom and know exactly what you need to do to make 6 figures in 6 months. A pre-built automated sales funnel, email automations. This is your freedom machine.